Ang ganda. Thank you so much, Vince. Walang hupas. Hanggang sa susunod ulit ng oras.
Ngayong gabi, tayo pong lahat ay nagse-celebrate ng ating first year anniversary ng Builders TK Development Corporation.
BTK started last year and it all started with a dream and a hope na we can help not only to gain experience sa mga namin, agents namin, we have also reach out also sa family law construction workers namin.
May your head up and feet on the ground. What I would like to say is may BTK continue to prosper and work hard in its commitment to integrity, camaraderie, fairness, moral, and most of all, having faith to God and to others. All members of BTK family, may God bless us all. Thank you.
We are looking forward for more innovative techniques and system for building a house. Builders, TK says builders like it's actually technology. So we are hoping in 10 years now, sobrang dali na lang namin gumawa ng mga buildings, ng mga houses through innovative techniques.
Babalik tanaw po kami nung inumpasahan po namin ang BTK. From 2 person hanggang sa 500 na sinabi na po kanina. Nag-upisa pa po kami from 0 and now we have 11 branches.
I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me shall not hunger, and whoever believes in me shall never thirst. Ang ginawa ko nung naman ko sa buhay ko, nung time na alam ko na wala nang ibang paraan at wala nang ibang tutulong, kundi yung panalangin at pag-asa na meron pa rin mga tamang tao na maniniwala sa'yo. Hindi man 100% sa inyo matatagumpay, pero hindi niyo po makakalimutan itong pagkakataon na to, itong oras na to, dahil ito pong araw na to ay para po sa inyo.
Dami ko mga trials na inarap kung paano kami makakasimula kasi ang hirap. Wala po kami yung bisita. Diyan lang po kami sa fields naglalakad. Pagpapakiling activity kami through trials. Lakas ng loob lang, subugan po kami. Nakakasimula po ang Vizcaya, nakapag-provide ng isang benta hanggang sa unti-unti na. Dapat po sa mga umupo ng BTK at sa mga lahat ng mga business.
Oh, who said it's easy?
I have learned a lot. that help me stay motivated, self-advice, and inspiration. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential by focusing on solutions rather than problems. Stay motivated and creative. Looking forward to many more successful years together. Happy anniversary! Albian, BBK!
Para sa akin, linamdam ng mga pagkain sa akin. Sinisigawan na yung mga team sa akin na labas. Sa lahat ng tumong ko ng legal community development corporate. Congratulations sa lahat.
Congratulations for achieving this 1 year moon and to reach our expectations. Hindi natin na-expect na mas magagampanan natin ng mas maganda, ng mas maayos yung ating business. And we are looking forward na makaya pa natin yung mga susunod pa ng mga challenges pa. Yan yung magtulong sa atin para mas lumakas na tayo and be unstoppable. Congratulations everyone and happy anniversary!
What we can accomplish. It is because of you that we stand today, celebrate our successful year filled with accomplishments and achievements. Here's to many more years of success, growth, and prosperity.
Well,